try them with braiding at the root. See what we get. So I'll be using, I watched a video by Hannah or something, Dope Hannah, whatever, and she uses Shine Gem all the time, the yellow bottle. I love Shine Gem. However, I'll be trying out this Eco castor and flaxseed oil styling, shining, and conditioning gel. It's supposed to be like a 48-hour hold. I've used this before to like do soaps and stuff. It's pretty good. It's turns white sometimes. So, but I have this to fall back on. And during the quarantine, I can find this in Walmart. All the beauty supply, or most of the beauty supply stores are closed. So I looked up and found one that was open. Got both of these. I stocked up on everything, y'all. Like, I also got some shears, cut hair for need to. To do the hair, I'll be using Outre's Expression Twisted Up Hair for spring twist. I have it in T, 2-tone 1B 27. I have it in 2-tone 1B 30. And I also have it in just the 1B. I'll be back shortly. Okay, so first off, I'm going to section off my hair right now. It's somewhat freshly washed. I washed it 2 days ago. Blow dried it on cool, and I've been wearing it in this little puff. Anywho, so I'm going to section it ear to ear, and then ear to ear again in the back. So I have 3 main sections, and then for each section, I'm going to section off my braid pieces, put the gels on them so that